Before you spend $10,000, $12,000, or even $15,000 on a new AC system, there are 5 questions every homeowner should ask first. Because the biggest AC mistakes usually happen before the installation even begins. The wrong system, poor sizing, bad ductwork, or an improper installation can leave you with higher electric bills, humidity problems. Hey, I'm Agent Green from Air on Demand. After more than 25 years helping South Florida homeowners replace AC systems, I've seen people spend thousands of dollars on premium equipment and still end up disappointed. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 questions that can help protect your investment before you sign anything. Question number 1, what does the warranty actually cover? Many homeowners hear 10-year warranty and assume everything is included. That's often not the case. Some warranties cover parts only, while others include labor for a limited time. Some require registration or ongoing maintenance to remain valid. Before you invest in a new system, ask exactly what's covered, how long labor is included, and what you need to do to keep the warranty active. A few minutes of clarification today can save a lot of frustration later. Question number 2, what refrigerant does the system use? Most homeowners never ask this question, but they should. The refrigerant your system uses can affect future repair costs and long-term ownership expenses. If a system develops a major refrigerant leak years from now, the repair options may be very different, depending on the type of refrigerant involved. That doesn't mean older systems are bad. It simply means you should understand what refrigerant your new system uses, and how it may affect future repairs and maintenance. A good contractor should be able to explain that clearly and simply. Question number 3, how was the system sized? This may be the most important question of all. Many homeowners assume bigger is better. In South Florida, that's usually wrong. An oversized system can cool the home too quickly and shut off before removing enough humidity. The result is a house that feels cool but still uncomfortable. A properly sized system should be based on how your home actually performs, not just the square footage. Ask if a load calculation was performed. Ask how humidity control was considered. And ask how the system was selected specifically for your home. Question number 4, was the ductwork evaluated? This is one of the most overlooked parts of an AC replacement. You can install a high-efficiency system, but if the ductwork is leaking, damaged, undersized, or poorly designed, you may never get the comfort or efficiency you paid for. Your ductwork is part of the system. Before replacing your AC, ask if the ductwork was inspected. Ask if there are airflow restrictions, leaks, or performance concerns. Because a new AC system doesn't automatically fix old airflow problems. In many cases, it simply reveals them. And finally, question number 5, who is installing the system? Equipment matters, but installation is what determines whether that equipment performs the way it was designed to perform. A quality installation includes proper sizing, airflow verification, refrigerant charging, electrical work, drainline setup, permits, startup testing, and homeowner education. In South Florida, small installation mistakes can lead to high humidity, poor airflow, higher electric bills, water damage, and premature system failure. So don't just ask what brand is being installed. Ask what steps are being taken to make sure the installation is done correctly. So before you replace your AC system, remember these 5 questions. What does the warranty really cover? What refrigerant does the system use? Was the system properly sized? Was the ductwork evaluated? And who is doing the installation? Ask those questions before you sign. Your comfort, humidity control, energy bills, and long-term investment depend on it. I'm Agent Green from Air on Demand. If you have questions about your AC system, there's a good chance we'll answer them in a future video. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.